Hello, Jai Mata Di, guys. Good afternoon. Right now I'm going to take clearances of main engine crosshead bearing, which is over here, crank pin bearing over there, and main bearing, which is over here. Now, guys, see, understand one thing. It is very, very important when you take clearances. Why? Clearances of a bearing are very, very important because it is concerned with the lubrication part. मैं details में बहुत बाद में जाऊँगा कि what it is. But when we are taking the clearances, apart from the safety factors that we have taken, first of all, read the manual. At what position you need to take the clearances. In case of our main engine right now, what we have to ensure is we have to take clearances when our unit is at BTC. So see, right now my crank pin is at the BTC position. The crank web is at BTC position over here. Bottom dead center, that is the lowest point, right? So over here, when I put it in this condition, I need to know कि clearance कहाँ पे मिलेगा, weight कहाँ पर है. When it comes to crosshead bearing, it is completely resting on the bottom part. मुझे clearance मिलेगा on the top part. Okay, I will get the clearance over here.
So the problem right now is to clearing MEO class for all 6 writtens and 4 orals ASAP, because you cannot go on ship till the time you do that, and I understand the pressure. So right now how I can help you is, guys, please go for this MEO class for live classes that we have started. I guess there will be amazing results awaiting you. Apart from that, if you are worried about how will you perform as a 4th year, 3rd year on board ship, why don't you invest on 4th year, 3rd year excellence package, which is again available on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. ये जितनी चीजें आप ही लोगों के लिए बनाई है, I am waiting that you achieve success and I achieve damn good results. Take it back.
When I talk about crank pin bearing down below, what happens is, right now since it's at BTC, so your connecting rod is towards the up. So I will take the clearance in the bottom side. So this is the crank pin bearing. Your shaft will be something like this over here. Okay? Because it is at BTC. So you will get the clearance in this area. And how do I take the clearance? I take the clearance for crank pin bearing and crosshead bearing using the feeler gauges over here. Before taking the clearances, what I do is, I go to the shop trial reports and see what was the clearance when the engine was branding new. And I also compare it with the trend. What was the clearance when it was taken 4 months back? So I get a very good idea कि bearing में कितना wear down हुआ है. Bearing clearance just gives a reference, but most important is always, I told you when you do the crank inspection, कि lube oil में तो कहीं आपको white metal नहीं मिल रहा है. You have to see the edges of the crank nozzle bearing over here. You have to see the edges of the crank pin bearing over there. You have to see the edges of the main bearing. कहीं पर कुछ bearing material slip out होकर बाहर की तरफ तो नहीं आ गया. Getting your point? Are the edges normal condition or have they come out? They are in abnormal condition. That is what you need to see. So right now I'm going to take the crosshead bearing condition. My unit is at BTC and I have come to know that the clearance should be around about 0.25 to 0.3. Okay. So what I do is I take a 0.2 mm feeler gauge and see what happens. When I put this 0.2 mm feeler gauge inside, see guys, it can go easily inside. That means clearance is more. So what I do is, I put 0.25. Now what I see is, अभी भी ये, see, it is going easily inside, right? So now I put 0.3. Guys, it is clearly written over here, you see. 0.3, 0.30. Okay, this is also going easily, guys. Now I'll put 0.35. I take 0.35 and let's see whether it goes or not. Now guys, see, it is not going. This 0.35 is not going inside. So what I do is, I take it out and I now make it 0.33. Let's see what happens. I take 0.30. And I take 0.03. See, this is 0.03. So 0.3, I've got 2 feeler gauges. plus 0.03 makes it 0.33. Now let me see whether this 0.33 goes inside or not. Now guys, see, this 0.33 is going like touching. It is touching, it's not easy. It is not easy. That means the clearance is 0.33 of the crosset bearing. Jai Mata Di. Now I'll go and take down with the crank pin bearing. As I told you guys, first of all I will check. This is a bearing over here guys. Yes. The bearing में कोई भी surface में कहीं कोई damage or something has not come out. That means bearing is in good condition. Now when the bearing is in good condition, I told you, okay, right now, this connecting rod is completely resting on the uppermost part of the crank pin bearing over here, like this. So I will be checking the clearance down over here. I'll start with 0.20. Okay guys, 0.20 is going very easily over there, very easily. Now I'll put 0.30 inside. 0.30 also going very easily. Now I'll put 0.40 inside. Guys, 0.40 is going easily, not easily but okay. So now I'll make it 0.43. 0.4 plus 0.03 and see what happens. Yes, this is the one guys. So guys, crank pin bearing clearance is 0.43. Okay. Now let's take the main bearing clearance. Guys, when taking the main bearing clearance, we don't use these filler gauges. We use special kind of leaf filler gauges. I'll show you. But before that, I need to make a position for myself so that I can sit down. Jai Mata Di. Right now guys, I'm going to take clearances for the main bearing. और जब मैं main bearing का clearance लूँगा guys, this is a special type of a filler gauge which is called a telescopic filler gauge that I am going to use. See, normally it is like this. I am going to put it inside over there, and then what I'll do is I'll make it like this. So what happens is this filler gauge over here goes inside the clearance, and that is how we come to know. Now what is the thickness of this filler gauge is 0.20 mm. Similarly, I've got another one which is 0.35 mm. So let me put 0.20 mm first and see what happens. इसको पकड़ लो.
आपके जेब में है सर.
Okay. So first of all, I am resting it over here on the propeller shaft. Once it is resting, now I'll push it inside. बड़े प्यार से पूरा का पूरा अंदर लगेगा इसी. If I'm trying to lift it up, it is not coming out. It is gone inside. Now if I have to lift it out, I have to slowly pull it outwards. Very, very carefully guys, we have to take this. There have been instances जहाँ पर लोगों ने they have done forcefully try to put it inside and then later it does not come out. उस टाइम को bearing करना पड़ जाता है guys, इसलिए आपको ओवरऑल bearing है. Now I've taken the 0.35 and let us see what happens. I put it and then I push. Okay guys, When I push it inside, now see, sometimes it gets stuck. So I put 0.35, it was going very difficult with a very difficulty and slightly inside, so I won't say this one. I'll take a 0.301 and see what happens. See guys, bearing is over here. When I put it inside, I have to push it like this. Understood? Not like this. Other ऐसे कहीं नहीं जाएगा. Bearing is over here, so like this. Now let me see what happens with the 0.301. I take this 0.301. I rest it over here. I align it towards the main bearing and then push it inside. Easy. So basically I would say it is around 0.34 mm because 0.30 is going very easily and 0.35 was not going. Copy it?